All right, let's look at the homework 1.2, problem number 5. All right, so we have a quadratic function whose graph goes through 5, 2, and it looks like the vertex is at 4, 0. So let's find the formula. All right, so we know that the vertex here, right, vertex is this point right there, right? So I'm going to call it h comma k is equal to h is 4 and k is 0, right? Then you have another point 5 2. So I'm going to just put the 5 2 there, right? So remember that the vertex form, if you have f of x, a quadratic function, the vertex form is a times quantity x minus h quantity squared plus k, right? So in this case, we already know h is 4, k is 0, so we know that this is going to be a, and x minus h is 4, so 4 squared, and plus k is 0, so I'm not going to write anything down, so we know that much, right? So since it has to go through 5, 2, which tells you that f of, so if you plug in when x equals 5, it has to be equal to 2. So we can use that to find the a value. So we have f with 5 plugged in for x. So you have a times, I'm going to plug in 5 here for x. So 5 minus 4 squared, which is going to be 5 minus 4 is 1, squared is 1. So it's going to be a times 1 is just going to be a, which has to be equal to 2 from here, right? So therefore, we have this complete formula. So f of x is simply is equal to a is 2 and quantity x minus 4 squared, right? So let's type it in. We have 2 times quantity x minus 4 squared, right? Let's check the answer. All right, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.